Yes, okay. Now, the future of smart fashion. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TOPTS Tailoring Studio. Today, I'm excited to take you into the world of technology where traditional tailoring meets modern digital fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know that I've spent years working with the real fabric, machine, and patterns. But now we are taking all that experience and turning it into a 3D digital design. And what you must know is whether you are an established tailor stroke seamstress or a student, designer, or someone who wishes to take your career in the fashion industry, please, fashion technology is the 3D digital fashion journey we should embrace. Okay? Then you may be there, you ask yourself, why digital fashion? Allow me to tell you this, please. How is my sound outside there? Are you hearing me loud and clear? If not, please comment. My sound is not coming well. Otherwise, let us continue. You may be asking yourself, why digital fashion? Let me tell you this. Digital 3D is a virtual fashion design software that allows you to design, stitch, and simulate garments before touching real fabric. And this digital 3D is used globally by top fashion brands, including us at TOPTS Tailoring Studio. We use it to test designs quickly before touching the real fabric. And this method helps us to save fabric, time, and costs, most especially for you tailors and seamstresses who are working on samples or you are working on customers' orders. This software is for us. In real tailoring, my people, one cutting mistake means wasted fabric. You know this. But in 3D digital design, you can design, test, and adjust it before cutting a single thread. So once you embrace this method, it's the future of smart fashion. There are points that I need you to know. In real tailoring, we measure, we draft, we cut, and sew. But in digital fashion, the process is similar, but in a digital format. One of it is we draft patterns with the 2D pattern tool. Then we sew pieces virtually. Then after we apply realistic fabric and colors, then we simulate movement and fitting. Okay? Yes, and in 3D, digital design doesn't replace real tailoring. It just enhances it. It gives it power. As we said earlier on, it helps us to save fabric wastage, time, and costs. So ladies and gentlemen, let us embrace this digital design or digital fashion design, because it doesn't replace real tailoring. It just enhances it. And it's like seeing your finished outfit before you even start cutting fabric. You see how it is even looking in the video. You see, you see the real outfit before cutting it on fabric. So if you're very interested in this, it's very simple. Here I'm using Cloth 3D. I've opened it. And now when you've opened, you create a new project like the way you see me doing it. Then you load a basic avatar. After loading your basic avatar, you explore tools like polygon, internal lines, sewing, and save workspace. We will start simply, in this journey, we will start simply learning how to navigate Cloth 3D, draft basic patterns, and simulate realistic garments. In each episode, of course, we are going to categorize this into episodes. So in each episode, we will move closer to professional level 3D design. If you have ever used a ruler, chalk, and scissors before Cloth 3D tools, you will actually look familiar. It will be familiar because it is what you do in the other side is what is done on this side. Here you are just sewing in pixels. or digitally. What should you expect in this journey that we are starting, or Cloth 3D series? Ladies and gentlemen, in this journey, please, what you need to expect is we will start with the basic tools, fabric and simple garments, then move into intermediate dresses, jacket and blazers. Later on, we will look, or we will learn advanced techniques, runway animations, African print simulations and real garment conversion. Then finally, we will connect it all to your workspace or workshop, where digital and physical designs meet. Hey, this is where the climax is going to be. As I've told you that finally we will connect it to all your workshop, where digital and physical designs meet. What you should know is this isn't just about a software. It's about transforming the art of tailoring into the language of fashion technology. I want to thank you for joining me for episode 1 of this journey. If you are passionate about tailoring, fashion design, or learning new technology, this is your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you love to learn next. As for today, allow me to say thank you so much for listening, exploring, and learning something at TOPTS Tailoring Studio. We saw dreams into reality. So please come soon with us. So episode 1, as you saw from the introduction, welcome to Tailoring Studio. In this episode, I begin my journey from traditional tailoring to digital fashion using Cloth 3D, the powerful tools or powerful software used by top designers worldwide. Join me as I explore how digital tailoring saves time, fabric, and improves design precision. Subscribe for weekly tutorials on this sewing and fashion business. So the first two lines that I mean here, the first one is one vertical line. So you draw one vertical line on one side of your pattern paper. So for this case, we are going to get it from this side, isn't it? So this is our vertical line. Let me make it straight. So I make it the length, let me make it 30. I have no problem with that.